Good afternoon or evening, everyone. This is your most things filmer here. Here comes Amtrak Capitol Corridor train 538. This is your eastbound train at Auburn. Here comes now to Sacramento and Auburn. I can say both. And the signal is green on the bottom again because this train, I think, will be switching tracks again. And then once another train comes eastbound, then the signal on the left will be green. I think the driver does not honk at me because he does not see me from here. I don't know. Or if I wave. Cab car 8310 Mount Hamilton. And it sounds like F59PJ in the rear again. F59PJ 2007. Yep, and I was right. The Amtrak train switches tracks again, as if the signal on the bottom is green. Alright, this is your eastbound train to Auburn, to Sacramento and Auburn. Thank you everybody for watching.